Logistics is a holistic system of management used to ensure the necessary planning, implementation, and monitoring of efficient flow of material from suppliers of raw material to the final consumer, as well as the disposal and recycling of obsolete products, all with a view to satisfy the final needs of the consumer. The concept of logistics originates originally from the military, covering supplies of vehicles, fuels, weapons, and ammunition, as well as accommodation of soldiers with associated supplies of food, water, etc. If a war is won or lost, all these have been affected by good logistics. Procurement is carried out by the company's purchasing function, which take care of the contact with suppliers. Purchasing function collects offers from different suppliers. It negotiates quality, price, delivery, and payment terms with suppliers. The company's success is dependent on good procurement. Production management is carried out by the company's production function unless there is a proper logistic function. This management often requires the product drawings, list of material requirements, word descriptions, etc. in order to be prepared properly for production of. If the company does not have its own independent logistic function, distribution management is often taken care of by the company's sales or procurement function, thus taking care of the contact with the sales department. We deal with three types of logistics here. We ingoing logistics, dealing with run by the procurement department, internal logistics, production management, and outgoing logistics distribution management. When dealing with logistics, it's necessary and important to take into consideration the value chain of Michael Porter, which pretty well describes, especially for a production company, how the distribution chain is and what actually creates value for the consumer in the company. The company needs also to take into consideration three things: the supply strategy, the production strategy, and the distribution strategy. First, the supply strategy. It's about deciding what products the company should produce and what products it should buy from its suppliers. The supply strategy also determines how closely the company wants to be associated with certain suppliers. Next off, the production strategy deals with internal logistics and its primary determination of how the company wishes to put together its production resources. The production strategy also indicates how the production process should be organized overall in the company. The distribution strategy deals with outbound logistics, and it must first and foremost determine which distribution channels the company will use to get its products to end users.